Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini can understand your questions and generate human-like answers? The secret behind these AI tools is something called an LLM, which stands for Large Language Model. A large language model is an AI system trained on massive amounts of text from books, websites, articles, and other sources. During training, it learns patterns in language such as grammar, facts, writing styles, and how words relate to each other. But how does it actually work? Think of an LLM as a super advanced prediction engine. When you type a question, the AI doesn't search the internet or think like a human. Instead, it analyzes your text and predicts what word should come next, then the next word, and the next, until it forms a complete response. For example, if you type, "The capital of France is," the model predicts that the most likely next word is Paris. Modern LLMs are built using a technology called transformers. This architecture helps the AI understand context, meaning, and relationships between words, even in very long conversations. The reason LLMs seem intelligent is because they have learned patterns from billions or even trillions of words during training. Today, LLMs power chatbots, content creation tools, coding assistants, customer support systems, translators, and many other AI applications. As these models continue to improve, they are becoming one of the most important technologies shaping the future of work and communication. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video in this playlist.